In this last example, we're again using some variables to calculate the slope between 2 points, and we're really starting to get into this idea of using variables. Okay, and so our slope is x plus a plus 1. So let's go ahead and take a look to see how we get that value. We're asked to find the slope between 2 points. One is the point P, which is given by x and x squared plus x. And the other one is Q, which is given by a squared plus a. So if you notice, this function, whatever function is generating these guys, must be the function f of x, which is equal to x squared plus x. Not just because of this, but because what I've really got going on is whatever I've plugged in, I get that guy out squared plus that guy again. Okay, this is really what's going on. Okay, so we've got some function. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to graph this out for you on a coordinate system. Okay, and so we know that x squared plus x is some kind of increasing function. In fact, it looks, it's going to be coming up somewhere like this. So I'm just going to grab an arbitrary point a out here, and I know that it has a height of a squared plus a. In fact, I know that this point is point Q, right? Because of this. And then there's another point out here that has a value of x for its x value, and its y value must be x squared plus x. Now to find the slope between those guys, it's just the change in y over the change in x, and the change in the y values is x squared plus x minus a squared minus a. Remember, I've got to subtract both of these guys. So if I take this minus this, subtract both, then it's this minus this. Now you should go ahead and try to reduce, so I'm going to move some terms around here. And now x is not equal to a. That's given to us in the problem. So we don't have to worry about division by 0 here. Also, once I factor, you're going to see that I can pull out an x minus a out of the top. And out of the bottom here, so I can cancel these. Now I can cancel them and say that this thing is equivalent to the next thing because this is not equal to 0. So this guy has the same shape as this guy when we graph them out. So this right here is the slope between your 2 points.